kasama ng aming mga bisita at lahat nawa ay yung pagpalain sa pangalan ng iyong anak na si Jesus. Amen.
Barangay Malainan Luma Amateur Singing Contest! Ayan, parang doon lang ata may kinain. Ayan, one second, let me hear your voice! Ayun, maraming salamat. By the way, my name is Kuya Jet and I will be your host for this amateur singing contest. Alright, and of course, to give his opening message, one of the top-notch public servant po in the municipality of Naik, Cavite. Ang ating pong pinagmamalaking punong barangay, ang mahusay at matapat na lingkod barangay. Palakpakan po natin, punong barangay, Levi O. Anggol!
Magandang gabi po sa ating lahat. Parang wala kahingat eh. Isang magandang gabi po sa ating lahat. Lahat po ng kasali sa atin, mga judge, hindi ko na po isa-isahin. Sa akin pong mga treasurer at secretary na nagpapakahirap dito sa aming contest na to. Sana po makatapos po tayo ng maayos. Kay Laparing Michael na nag-donate sa amin ng kwan, nagpapasalamat po ako sa kanya. Siya po yung nagbigay sa atin ito. Kahit po walang bayad, pagbase taga sa amin, ay ako nagpapasalamat pa rin. At sa kapistahan po ng aming barangay, at katulong ko kayo. Sa lahat po, ng taga-Glorymore po nandito, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Yan po lang at isang magandang gabi po sa ating po lahat dito. Muli po, isang magandang gabi po sa ating pong host ng mga pakagaling, pagsalita. Bibigay ko na po itong kanyang mic.
Maraming pong salamat, punong barangay Levi Anggol. Ayan, once again, bigyan natin siya ng masigabong palakpakan ng kasamang sigawan. Ayan na, full of energy na sila. Ayan. Bukas may minuto kayo lahat. Alright, and of course, kailangan din natin acknowledge po ang ating pong mga organizers. Ito po ang head organizer ay ang ating barangay secretary na si Ma'am Genevieve Del Rosario. At syempre po ang masipag na treasurer ni CAP na si Miss Chris Magpili together with our may pare po sa Tansa, si John Billy Marbolanda. Ayan po, maraming pong salamat for organizing this kind of talent competition. Ngayon naman, ipapakilala ko na po sa inyo para tuloy-tuloy na tayo ang atin pong mga hurado. Our first judge is a 54 years old mother of 5 and currently the barangay kagawad of Barangay Malainan Luma for 3 terms. Palakpakan po natin Barangay Kagawad Honorable Maripe P. Dulitin. Ayan, tayo po tayo konsehala. Our next is a Barangay Kagawad o Barangay Molino. Palakpakan po natin Barangay Kagawad Honorable Bernie Lopez. Our next judge is the daughter of Kapitan Manning ng Banaban Lejos, a well-respected punong barangay. Palakpakan po natin, Miss Marian Jessie M. Rodriguez. Our next judge, eto, nabati ko na-recognize rin natin ang napakagandang may bahay ni punong barangay Gildo Mojica. Palakpakan po natin, Ma'am Shirley L. Rodriguez. Our next judge Ito, one of the hard-working punong barangay po ng ating pong bayan at ipinagmamalaki po ng barangay Malainin Bago. Siya po ang punong barangay na Malainin Bago. Palakpakan po natin, punong barangay Kapitan Lito Katibayan. Mukhang kumakanta ka rin, ma'am, ha? Alright. Our next judge, or the chairperson of our board of judges, is currently the Barangay Kagawad of Halang Naing, Cavite. Members of the Women's League, palakpakan po natin Barangay Kagawad Honorable Elna Oliva. Mukhang kompleto na sila at mamaya po ay mariringgan natin ang kanilang sample. Alright? And of course, here are the criteria for judging. For our boys, 50%. Performance, 30%. At napakahalaga po ng inyong palakpakan po at sigawan. The audience impact, 20% for a total of 100%. Kaya po sa lahat po ng ating mga supporters at mga manonood, ipakita yung mga all-out support po sa inyong mga contestant at pambato. Ang tanong, Barangay Malainan Luma, handa na ba kayong maringgan ang mga pangmalakasang bosesan ng ating mga kabarangay? Parang mahina! Ito na! Umpisahin na natin ang bakbakan sa entablado!
Okay, magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. And happy fiesta, Barangay Malainin Luma. Ayan, kung saan taga rito po ako. At welcome po sa ating makagisig na mga judges. MC, okay. Welcome din po sa ating mahal na kapitan ng Malainin Bago, Kapitan Lito Katibayan. Ayan. Okay, para po sa inyo lahat, habang hindi pa po nag-start ang ating major singing contest, kami po magbibigay po ng ilang awitin. Maraming salamat po.
Alright, magandang gabi po sa lahat. Once again, happy fiesta. Barangay Malainin Luma na ito dito. Yes. Continue the song from dances.
To
pagmamalaki po ng looban dos. Palakpakan po natin, Angeline Kahinusayan. ma'am. Ayan, grabe naman, no? May pinaguhugutan si ma'am. Alright. Ayan, maraming salamat po ang ating sertifikado ban. Mamaya uli, no? Gagamitin namin kayo. Ayan. Papaguri namin kayo. Alright, let's continue this competition. Our next contender is from Block 18, Lot 3. Palakpakan po natin, Miss Melanie Miliego.
Next.
Tell me, Hello. Hello. Because in now, one who said rather be alone. One who said rather be alone. You could only see me now, but I hold you now. Just for the moment, if I could make you mine. Just for a while, turn back the hand of time. You could only see me now. I've been too long in the wind, too long in the rain, taking any comfort that I feel. Looking back and longing for the freedom of my chance, lying in your loving arms again. You see me now, singing somewhere to a lonely night, dreaming of the arms that hold me tight. You could only see me now. I've been too long in the wind, too long in the rain. Living comfort that I feel. Looking back and longing for the freedom of my chance, lying in your loving arms I've been too long in the wind, too long in the rain, taking any comfort that I feel. Looking back and longing for the freedom of my chains, lying in your loving arms again. Lying in your loving arms again.
Alright, thank you so much, Ma'am Elsa Villa Carlos. Wow, ah. Nasaan mga kumare ni Ma'am Elsa? Magsigawan! Ang dami kumare, ah. Alright, thank you so much, ma'am. Of course, let's continue. Our next contender, ayan, gagamit po siya ng banda. So stay put lang tayo. Alright, our next contender, palakpakan po natin, Sir Albert Villamor. Ayan, mukhang nalasing ang Ayan, Sir Albert. Ayan, mukhang wala si Sir Albert, no? Alright, ito gagamit po talaga ng banda. Our next contender po ay talaga naman po from Block 27, Lot 10. Palakpakan po natin si Ma'am Susan Medrano.
Hey, so teach Mario. Take the ribbon from your hair, shake it loose and let it fall. Playing soap upon my skin, like the shadows on the wall. Come and lay down by my side till early morning light. All I'm asking is your time. Help me make it through the night. I don't care who's right or wrong. I don't try to understand. Lace the day will take tomorrow. Lord, tonight I need a friend. Yesterday is the weekend, and tomorrow's set aside. It's so sad to be alone. Help me make it through the night. It's right or wrong. I don't try to understand. Let's the day will take tomorrow. Lord, tonight I need a friend. Yesterday is the weekend, and tomorrow's out of sight. And it's sad to be alone. Help me make it through the night. It's sad to be alone. Help me make it through the night.
Alright, maraming pong salamat. Ma'am Susan Medrano ng Block 27, Lot 10. Ayan, there you have it. Alright, pansamantala natin puputuloy. That is your second set po ng ating po mga contender. No? Alright? At meron po tayong guest performer na balikbayan. Ayan, from Looban Dos. Yes, ay, grabe. Ano mga talento naman mga taga-Looban Dos? No, mabisita bukas. Ayun po, siya po ay fresh balikbayan. Palakpakan po natin our guest performer, Miss Loida Olivar. Alright.
ng ating pagmamahalan. Ang anak ko, lahat ay walang hangganan.
Tumulad ka sa aking pangako. Kahit hindi ako ay inisan mo, puso ko ay hindi magbabago. Pagkat ikaw ang lahat sa aking buhay, magbalik ka't ako'y maghihintay. Ito ba ang guhit ng aking palad? Sa pag-ibig ako'y isang palad. Ganyan ba ang tapat na magmahal? Paglaruan at pagtaksilan. Kahit hindi ako ay nilisan mo, puso ko ay hindi magbabago. Pagkat ikaw ang lahat sa aking buhay, magbalik ka't ako'y maghihintay. Ito ba ang guhit ng aking palad? Sa pag-ibig ako'y sawing palad. Ganyan ba ang tapat na magmahal? Paglaruan at pagtaksilan. Kahit hindi ako ay nilisan mo, puso ko ay hindi magbabago. Pagkat ikaw ang lahat sa aking buhay, magbalik ka't ako'y maghihintay. Magbalik ka't ako'y maghihintay. Happy Fiesta!
Alright, thank you so much to Loida Olivar, our guest performer. And now our next guest performer is the Naik Got Talent winner. Ito pagmalakasang performance. Palakpakan po natin Big Kasaysayan del Mundo.
Ayan, for the rest of our judges for tonight, I would like to acknowledge the presence of Certificados Band and the rest of the judges here, headed by Mr. Levi Angon and the rest, Kuya Bernie Lopez, and from Barangay Serca, and of course, all the officials here in Manila. Okay, Maestro. Pasensya na po, nakikigulo lang ako. Nagrito po ako.
Sleep alone, and I choke on my heart. I'd rather you wanna sleep than miss letting read a lie. And do my judge you on what you say you're good. I've only asked again to see that real you. And sometimes when one asks, he asks these too much, and I hear the close my eyes and I wanna hold you dear like that till we both lay down and cry. I wanna hold you till the feeling subside.
Romancing all this strategy is nothing with my pride. But truly insecurity, something that will survive. And I'm just another writer, so traveling in my truth. Oh yes, it has my spider to travel in my youth. And sometimes when it comes, yeah, I see too much, and I have lost my heart. I wanna be like that. Till we falling down and cry. I wanna hold you till the feelings inside. At last I'd like to bring you a fire to your knees. At last I'd like to break through and know you will sleep. At times I understand you and know how hard you try. And watch your looks command you, and I watch love pass you by. A thousand things were breathers to see you again. A brother or a sister, but when I'm back again. Sometimes when it does, the honesty's too much, and I heard lost my heart in time. I wanna hold me like that. Till we won't be down and cry. I wanna hold you till the feelings inside.
Alright, thank you so much. Thank you so much, Sir Vic Kasaysayan del Mundo, ang ating naikatanik winner, ha? Napakaraming talented na dito, ha? Na residente sa inyo pong barangay. So there you have it, our guest performers. Maraming pong salamat kay Tita Lois at kay Sir Vic. Ngayon po, judges, ituloy na natin, no? Tuloy-tuloy na po tayo for our next contenders po na mag-perform. Alright? Siya po ay from Block 5, Lot 9. Ayaw po, palakpakan po natin si Mr. Renerio Balili. And now let's move forward to our next contender. Muli, from Glory Bill. Palakpakan po natin, Shomri Di Diosoy.
Magandang gabi po, magandang kapitista po.
I remember the days when you're here with me. Those love design days we shared for years. The memories that we had for so long, me and you. Now you've gone away, you left me on the but please don't leave me
Maraming pong salamat, Sir Joby Dioson from Glorymoreville. Alright? Our next contender, no, is from 278 Purong 4. Nasaan naman taga Purong 4? Uy, parang nagigigil si ate. Kumakapalo. Anyway, alright, palakpakan po natin, Mark Jansen O. Gonzalez.
Cover speech.
Di mo maramdaman ikaw sa akin ay mahalaga. Ang puso ay bigat naman. Paano di ko matanggap? Sa araw-araw, aking ganalang, aking ganalang, at maghihintay hanggang aking darang.
salamat, Sir Mark Johnson Gonzalez. Napakaraming fans si Mark Johnson. At mahirap ko pinantay niya, no? Pero meron yun, no? Okay, pero napakahirap, no? Alright, we're bound for our last contender. Ay ang palakpakan po natin, Mr. Miguel Gonzalez!
Sinang ka sa mundo laging tuwanan, magulang mo at ang kamay nila ang iyong ina at ang nanay at tatay mo. Di malaman ang gagawin, minamasdan pati pagtulog mo. At sa gabi napupulat ang iyong nanay sa pagtutula ng gatas mo. At sa umaga na may halo ka ng iyong ama, tuwang-tuwa sa'yo. Nais mong maging malaya, di man sila hayag, walang magagawa. Ikaw nga'y biglang nagbago, naging matigas ang iyong ulo at ang payo nilang sinuway mo. Sa'yo, pagkat ang nais may masunod, ang layaw mo, di mo sila. Pinapansin. balikan. Ikaw ay nalulong sa masamang bisyo. At ang una mong nilapitan, ang iyong inang lumuluha. At ang tanong, anak, ba't ka nakaganyan? Mga mata, biglang lumuhan ng tino. Pero pansin, pagsisisi. At sa isip mo, nalaman mo ika'y nagkamali. Pagsisisi. At sa isip mo, nalaman mo ako nagkamali. Pagsisisi. At sa isip mo, nalaman mo ika'y nagkamali.
There you have it, Nicole Gonzalez! Grabe yun! What a breathtaking performance po ng ating last contender singing Anak by Freddy Aguilar. Thank you so much. There you have it, our 13th contestant po. Once again, bigyan natin sila masigabong palakpakan for a job well done. Again po, for our non-winners who receive 500 pesos each. And our ating third and fourth runner-up will receive 1,000 pesos. Ang ating pong second runner-up will receive 2,000 pesos plus trophy. Ang ating first runner-up will receive 3,000 pesos plus a trophy. And our grand champion for this year will receive 5,000 pesos plus trophy. This is provided by our Purong Barangay Levy Angol together with our Barangay Council at Pamalang Barangay ng Balainen Luma. And to give another entertainment number from Banaba. Ito po ha, para lang tayo pasayahin while tabulating the scores. Siya po ay from Banaba, Serca, Indang, Cavite. Palakpakan po natin, June Viro o June Pino with our Certificado Band. Ayan, tuloy-tuloy na po natin ang ating pong entertainment number. Once again, palakpakan po natin ha. Ito, mukhang 2 buwan po siya nagsanay. Okay? Sir June, ayan, tinatawag po ang kanyang bandmates. Alright? But anyway, tomorrow po, we will be having another event po. Ito po ay headed by our Sangguniang Kabataan. At syempre pa rin ang ating Pamalang Barangay. Tomorrow po magpa-party-party po kayo rito sa ating basketball court. Again, this is in line with the celebration of our kapistahan. Okay, Sir June? Ayan, mukhang inaalam pa nila yung kanilang number. But anyway, thank you so much sa ating mga judges. Maraming pong salamat for spending your time with us. Nawa po, in-entertain po ba kayo? Ayan. Alright, thank you so much. Barangay Balainen Luma, masaya po ba kayo ngayong gabi? Parinig naman sigabong palakpakan namin kasama sigawan! Alright, mukhang busog na sa lumpia. Okay. Okay, Sir June, are you ready? Alright, once again, a round of applause for Sir June.
Thank you so much. Para po sila naman. Fiesta na, ayan natin fiesta. and I need you so bad, but I don't know where you are. I'll cry to sleep. Oh, if you so hot, just put out the moon. I'll count a million stars. My love's still true. Prayers will come and hide. Sun let me alone, but instead his walls before, and then be blue. All alone in my heart I know there's one thing in my life that still is real. I can count on you. Count eternity. No questions in the end. No asking what or where. No looking back. Counting everything. There is my wallet high. You'll forever be important to me. My miracles find. If I had to choose one place to spend the rest of my days, and I will see all the seas of the sea. Oh, ganun pa ba natin ba? Kapal ka ba? So far, you right now where you are. Just me and you. Now, forevermore, I'll say it's wrong. I begin to see that I I can dance all year. Thank you so much. Very song, sabi ni Kap, mga tatlo lang daw sabi ni Kap. Para mo sa ating pong barangay chairman dito kay chairman. Ano pangalan po? Eddie? Levy? Ayan, chairman Levy. Sa lahat ng mga namumuno rito sa ating pa-contest na to. Ayan. Magandang gabi po. Isa po sa pinanalo ko po ito sa Itbulaga, dati. Itong song na ito. Ayan, song from Larry Graham. At sa ating mga judges, para sa inyo. Ayan, palagpakan naman ang ating banda. Ayan. Alright. Song from the ground. Love was great, its wings on wings along. Started to believe I'll never find anyone that right to kiss me to you there. Said you can wait. That one sun came to shine through. The rays up in the skies bright blue. And all elevation to see. Someone was saying I love you to me. Compassionate and sent to me as one of you. And one of you. As a wonder the empty arms of faith, they'll find a piece of happiness to call my own. And life's hopefully there again. For love you to me is the and love, show compassion and send to us roll you. I want you. And I show compassion and listen to me as the road Okay, thank you so much for the last song. Para po sa lahat, of course, the Kapitan Yundo, buhay ka, yeah. And Kapitan Levy. Dito na yung pinasikat ni Margo Season. Para po sa lahat ng mga nanonood sa Barangay Badaba, Serka, sa family Moika, kay Kuya Rico, Moika and family, close to Camp, Kapitan Hildo, Moika. Sa ating punong barangay, hindi po si Kapitan Lodi, sa lahat po na namumuno. Just fall, and sometimes you feel that you can go on. Be strong, hold on, oh my love will give you all. To the sun, through the rain, through the storm, when friends turn back song, and you're so helpless, you don't know what to do. I'll be on your side to comfort you. My love is simple. When tears are in your eyes and you feel you wanna cry, just listen when I'll be around to understand. When you stand and fall and you need something to live on, all you have to do is fall, and I'll be there with a helping hand. When the road seems so long and endless, and all you see is nothing but darkness, don't give up. just walk on her heart. For my love will save her. The sea, when the blinding eyes up, my love will always be in the never fade. And every time you make, and every road is set, for me to cry in all your dreams. Oh, my love. Thank you so much.
Grabe yun, no? Pang-Itbulaga po ba yan, sir? Grabe, oo. You want more? They want more. But then again, let's move forward to our next songs po. This is from our Certificado Band. Ayan, one tabulating the scores and completing who will be our winners for this amateur singing contest. And a few minutes na naman po, i-reveal na natin yan. Alright, band? You still good? By the way po, ang Certificado Band po, if you want to invite them, pwede pong i-contact po si Sir. Ano pong pangalan ni Sir? Si Sir Michael. Ayan. Kasama po ang kanyang mga mahuhusay na banda. Alright. So, ayan, siguro painumin lang muna natin saglit, no? Si Sir June, no? Mamaya, siguro, baka hirit pa tayo ng isa dahil pa contest na yung kanyang tinanda, no? Alright. So, by the way, maraming salamat, Kap, ha, for giving this kind of event po sa inyong barangay. Napakasaya po at napakaganda po ng pagkakaorganisa. Alright, so palagay po ninyo. Ayan, well, naghahanda. Sino ang tatanghaling kampiyon? Ay, parang ako. Alright, eto ha. Ibuhos nyo na inyong mga suporta ha. Is it from City Line, si Sir Jude Riggs o Oros kaya? Nasa mga taga-suporta ni Sir Jude? Or si Juan Miguel Vito Rase? Oh, may taga-suporta pa rin. Si Angeline Kahinusayan kaya? O si Melanie Melievo? Uy, dami pa. Nasaan naman ang mga taga-suporta ni Elsa Villa Carlos? Eh si Susan Medrano kaya? Si Jobri D. Tioson? Uy, nakakaunti na kayo ha? Sino naman nasa naman taga-suporta ni Mark Jansen o Gonzales? Uy, daming kaibigan ito, daming hakot ha. Nasa naman taga-suporta ni Marigold E. Torog. Consistent. Alright. Ayan, mukhang may nakalimutan. Si Sir Albert Villamor. Ayan, wala siya. Eh si Miguel Gonzales kaya? Yo, may dalawang kapitbahay na kasama. Alright, once again, ibibigay ko muna sa Certificado Band before we announce our winner. Once again, a round of applause for Certificado Band.
Okay, happy festa po po sa inyo lahat. this beautiful evening. Walking around with me. And I tell her, do I look alright? And I say yes, you look wonderful tonight.
ako'y nagmamahal. Huwag mong sayangin ang panahon, pagkat ito'y may hangganan. Buksan mo ang pintuan, kasama ng iyong puso. Tinangay na ng hangin ang samang panaginip. Kinabigyan ng buwan ang puso mo. Nangulungkot, isip ko'y unti-unti nawawala. Nalilito ang tulad ko'y parang puso, unti-unti naglalako.
Oh, it's on!
Alright, so now we're back for the revelations of our winners. Ayan po, ito na po, nasa akin na po ang final result. At to award our fourth runner-up po ay tinatawagan ko po dito sa unahan ang ating pong punong barangay Levy Anggoy. Ayan sir, dito po tayo sa stage. And of course, together with Kapitana Shirley Rodriguez and Miss Marian Jessie Rodriguez. Ito na. Meron ba tayo niyang pa-drum roll po? Ayan. Ano? And of course, our non-winners will receive 500 pesos po each. So, mamaya po yan, you claim po yung consolation prize po after the event. Alright? Our fourth runner-up will receive 1,000 pesos. Ayan, pwede bang sabayin nyo rin ako ng ilaw, kuya? Ayan. Alright. Our fourth runner-up. Congratulations to Angeline Kahinusayan. Alright. Congratulations, ma'am. What a wonderful performance po. At tanggapin niyo po ang 1,000 pesos po. Ito po yung wala po sa pangalang barangay ng Maliinin, Luma sa pamumuna po ni Kap Levy Anggoy. Alright, photo off po muna tayo. Closer. Alright. Maraming po salamat and congratulations, ma'am. And thank you so much, Kapitana and Miss Marian. Nakakaupo muna kayo. And of course, to award our third runner-up, may I call on here on stage si Consi Maripe Dulutin. Dulitin. Ayan, sorry po, ayan. Alright, together with our punong barangay, our third runner-up will receive 1,000 pesos po. Ayan, Cap and Consi, sige po. Our third runner-up goes to congratulations, Marigold Tonong! Nansan po, ayan, congratulations, Miss Marigold Tonong! Ayan, napaka-talented na bata. Sige po, tanggapin mo po ang iyong po prize. Sige po, photo po niya wake up and Consi. Thank you so much. At maraming salamat, Consi Maripe Duliti. And now we're bound for the second runner-up to be awarded by Consi Bernie Lopez and Kap Levy Anggoy. Ito na, receiving 2,000 pesos in cash plus a trophy. Barangay Maliinin, Luma. Our second runner-up is goes to congratulations, Mark Johnson Gonzalez. pasabot. Ayan. Ayan, sa gitna po tayo, sir. Ayan, gitna po kayo, sir. Congratulations! Ayan. Congrats! Nasa ang mga fans ni Johnson? Hakot na huwag. Thank you so much, Consi Bernie Lopez. And now, for our first runner-up to be awarded by Caplito Katibayan. Together with Puro Barangay, Sir Levy Anggon. Alright, Barangay Maliine Luma, Dinisip. Our first runner-up will receive 3,000 pesos plus a trophy. Our first runner-up, congratulations to Miguel Gonzalez! Alright! Congratulations, Sir Miguel Gonzalez! You did a great job for this competition. Congratulations! Receiving a 3,000 pesos plus a trophy. Congratulations! And now, our grand champion, and of course to be awarded by Consi Elma Oliva, the chairperson of our board of judges, together with Cap Levy Anggon, receiving 5,000 pesos in cash plus a trophy. Maliine Luma Amateur Singing Contest Grand Champion is no other than, congratulations to Melanie Miliabo! Ladies and gentlemen, our 2025 Amateur Singing Contest Grand Champion of Maliine Luma, Miss Melanie Miliabo. Congratulations, and of course, Kap, dito lang po tayo. At syempre po, nais natin pasalamatan our board of judges. At this point po, we will give you a certificate of appreciation po for spending your time with us for this amateur singing contest. Basahin ko lang po ang nilalaman. Republic of the Philippines Province of Cavite Municipality of Naik, Barangay Maliine Luma. This certificate of appreciation is proudly presented to, for his and her invaluable contribution as the member of the Board of Judges in the Barangay Amateur Singing Contest 2025 held at Barangay Maliine Luma Cover Court, Naik, Cavite. Given this 4th day of April 2025 here at Barangay Maliine Luma, Naik, Cavite, signed our Puno Barangay Liberato O Anggon. Palakpakan po natin. Certificate of appreciation is presented to Honorable Elma Oliva. Our next, Honorable Limar Tinglasan. Next, Honorable Lito Katibayan. Once again, the certificate of appreciation is proudly presented to Honorable Gildo Mojica. Our next certificate of appreciation is proudly presented to Honorable Bernie Lopez. Certificate of appreciation is proudly presented to Marian Jessie M. Rodriguez. Our next Honorable Marife P. Dolite. And of course, may we have a group photo po together with our punong barangay. At syempre po, okay na bang sumama na yung ating mga kagawad? Ayan, kagawad, treasurer, secretary, for a group photo. Dito na tayo, mga sir. Ayan, dyan lang po kayo. Dito na tayo sa taas. Ayan po, maraming pong salamat sa Barangay Malainang Luma. To God be all the glory. God bless everyone and happy fiesta. Uy, taray doon ha, persistent. Anyway, tomorrow po, meron po tayo another event. This is organized by your Sangguniang Kabataan together with Pamalang Barangay ng Malainang Luma. Ayan. And of course, together with our champions. Maraming pong salamat, Sertificado Band. Headed by Sir Michael, maraming pong salamat. Ayan po. And of course, sa ating sound system, thank you so much. Ayan. Sa ating sound and lights. Once again, palakpakan po natin our punong barangay.